The allure of the Madagascar jewel, my Euphorbia leuconeura obsession. Euphorbia leuconeura, or the Madagascar jewel, wasn't always a resident of my windowsill. But the moment I glimpsed its unique silhouette at a local rare plant shop, I knew I had to have it. This wasn't your average succulent. Its architectural form, with deep green, lance-shaped leaves contrasting against a spiny, brown-ridged stem, held an undeniable magnetism. See more 2093 species in genus Euphorbia at monsteraholic.com. What exactly is a Euphorbia leuconeura? The Madagascar jewel is a succulent shrub native to the understory of Madagascar's rocky forests. In its natural habitat, it can grow up to 6 feet tall, but thrives indoors at a more manageable 1.8 meters, around 6 feet. Unlike most succulents, the Euphorbia leuconeura boasts a single, upright stem, rarely branching out. This creates a clean, elegant look that complements any modern decor. Where can I buy a Euphorbia leuconeura? Finding a Euphorbia leuconeura can be a bit of a treasure hunt. Due to its relative rarity, it's not as readily available as your run-of-the-mill jade plant. Your best bet is to check with specialized succulent nurseries or online marketplaces catering to rare plants. Be prepared to pay a slight premium for this unique specimen, but trust me, its captivating presence is worth every penny. How to care for your Euphorbia leuconeura? The good news is, the Madagascar jewel isn't a fussy plant. Here's how to keep yours happy and thriving. Light: mimic its natural habitat by providing bright, indirect sunlight. South-facing windows are ideal, but it can tolerate some east or west-facing exposure as well. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water: remember, it's a succulent, so resist the urge to overwater. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. During winter months, you can water even less frequently. Soil: well-draining soil is crucial. Opt for a succulent or cactus mix, or create your own by combining regular potting mix with perlite or sand for increased drainage. Temperature: the Euphorbia leuconeura thrives in average room temperatures, between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing it near cold drafts or heat vents. How to propagate your Euphorbia leuconeura? This is where things get interesting. Unlike most succulents propagated through leaf cuttings, the Euphorbia leuconeura has a rather unique method: self-propulsion. When the seed pod ripens, it explodes, shooting the seeds several meters away. While this might not be ideal indoors, you can mimic the process by collecting the seeds when the pod splits open and gently nicking the seed coat with a nail file to encourage germination. Sow the seeds in a well-draining cactus mix and provide warmth and humidity until they sprout. Be aware: the Euphorbia leuconeura's hidden secret. Here's a crucial point to remember: the Euphorbia leuconeura, like all euphorbias, contains a white, milky sap that can be toxic if ingested or if it comes into contact with your eyes. Be cautious when handling the plant, wear gloves if necessary, and keep it out of reach of children and pets. More than just a plant, a conversation starter. The Euphorbia leuconeura is more than just a pretty face on the windowsill. Its architectural form and conversation-worthy propagation method make it a captivating addition to any indoor space. With a little TLC, this Madagascan wonder will reward you with years of effortless beauty and a touch of exotic flair in your home.